Hello students, so today we are starting with our very first chapter, that food, where it comes from. Talking about food in this chapter, at the end of this video you are able to learn these following topics from the chapter, like food variety, food materials and sources, plant parts and animal product as a food, and at the last, what do animals eat. Talking about food variety, imagine eating same kind of food every day. क्या आप रोज ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर में सिर्फ पिज़्ज़ा खा सकते हो? No. Sounds good, but you get bored eating pizza every day. That's why you need food variety. You need balanced diet, and it means you need to take carbohydrates, protein, dietary fibers, vitamin and water in your food. Next thing is about food sources. There are two major sources of food. Number one, plants, and number two, animals. As a plant sources of food, people are eating pulses, cereals, vegetables and fruit. And as a animal sources of food, people are taking milk, eggs, fish and milk. So after all, that's about animal and plant sources. So now we are talking about water and salt. They are neither plant or nor a animal product. Talking about plant parts as a food. Among all the major sources, plants are versatile because as a food you can eat every part of a plant. There are few examples here, like apple is a fruit part which you are eating, right? Wheat is a seed part, potato is a stem part, beetroot is a root part, spinach is a leaf part which you are eating, and cauliflower is a flower part. Let's discuss about raw ingredients, right? In your previous standard, you have learned about it that if you have to prepare a roti, you need wheat flour and water. What if you have to prepare rice? You need just rice and water. But for preparing your favorite sabzi, your mother need vegetables, spices, water and oil. So to prepare any kind of your favorite dish, you just need the ingredients, and that ingredients you call it raw ingredients. Now it is time to discuss that what do animals eat. So for animals, on their food habits there are three categories. Number one, it is herbivores. So herbivores are the animals that only eat plants and their parts. For example, deer. Number two, that is carnivores. The animals only eat other animals and their flesh. For example, lion. Number three, omnivores. So omnivores are basically the animals that eat both plants and animals. The examples are cat, bear and even humans also, right? In this one, you can see some examples of herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So, goodbye. See you soon with the next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe.